better each day.
Yeah, it looks good. It's going to be warm. You know, as a parent, kids, it doesn't matter how many times you tell them, look for cars, look for golf carts, you know, whatever's going on. They just
They're so
run right
excited.
at it. They run right at
Yeah.
it. So it's up to us really to kind of keep an eye out for them or
Absolutely.
anything else. We were looking at rain chances earlier in the week. We were thinking maybe about 20, 30%. Not big. That's down to 10% now. And I'd be surprised if we even saw that much. So, but what we don't get is the real dry air that we'll get the next day.
Of course. Yeah, of course.
I know, it has to be.
We can't win it all, you know?
That's exactly right. That's a good way to put it, but we missed that really good weather by like a day. Let's take a look at that forecast for now. The high temperature on Halloween will be about 86 degrees, 86, 87 degrees. That's about where we have been the last several days. But by trick-or-treat time, 6 o'clock, we'll be basically 83, 82, 81, about 79 degrees or so. So it's going to be really nice. Mostly spooky, and sunset, by the way, is 6:47. Enjoy this weekend because it's not this weekend, but next that we push those clocks back 1 hour as daylight saving time ends. Yeah, then sunsets around 5:45. Let's talk tropics real fast. This is Tammy. Tammy's back from the dead, just in time for Halloween, I guess. But it's going to recurve out to here. We also need to keep an eye on that system there. Let's talk Tammy first. It actually weakens and moves further away from Bermuda and out to sea, so no worries there. This system has about a 30% chance. Tyler, did that go up? I didn't look. This afternoon it was at 30%. Still at 30, thank you, sir. It will go to the north-northeast, and likely, a lot of the modeling say it's not going to do too much, but it could develop. I think it goes over eastern Cuba. And then we'll watch for a second wave to form in here. We're talking over the next week, week and a half, and then where does that one go? This is the time of year where we watch this area here in the Western Caribbean. This is Sunday into Monday, there's the low, and then as we get into Tuesday, it starts to lift north. And then Wednesday, and you see the European model just doesn't have much to it, right? Now, Thursday of next week, almost a week out, here comes the next one trying to form here. And you can see that's going to kind of sit down there for a while, and then we'll have to watch and see if it comes up. The GFS model loves to throw hurricanes our way. It just does, especially in days 10, 11, and 12 in the forecast model. It's not even doing that at this point now. So it's something that we'll keep an eye on. It's something that we always keep an eye on this time of the year because that's the area that we watch. And right now I think we're okay, but again, it's 10, 12 days out, if anything. All right, let's go over the weather wall. Let's talk local weather and a great weekend coming up. The one good news is we're just talking to Weather Center and all the snow they're going to get in Denver coming up this weekend. The freezing temperatures, well below freezing temperatures in the northern plain. We have 76 in the water. We're going to have 80s at the beach this weekend. It's 86 right now. And it's going to be dry all the way through. We've got a great beach weekend here. 84 in Dunedin, 86 in Seminole, St. Pete Beach, 90 degrees. Although that sensor's been running a little bit on the warmer side, most of us are low to mid 80s from Lakeland to Brooksville to Sarasota right now. The wind, still a little breeze. It's not like it has been, but it'll stay about what it was today, 10 to 15 miles per hour at most each afternoon. You can see partly cloudy skies will form each day like we've seen, then they'll fall apart. Sunday's a little bit more humid, so I think we'll see a few extra clouds in the afternoon, but still partly cloudy should cover it. So tonight we're dry. We're falling out of the 80s into the 70s. Most of the evening hours in the 70s. 88 for your Saturday, 88 for your Sunday. And look at Sunday morning, 70 for a low. That's an indication that's going to be a little bit more on the humid side, especially Sunday afternoon. Boating through the weekend. East to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Light chop out there on the bay, and that water temperature should come up a degree or two. Now, let's talk that cold front. This is your Saturday. Look where the rain is down to our south. We're good. This is your Sunday. High pressure still pretty close to us. That's why the winds are coming down. But then here comes Monday. Here comes the front. And then eventually Tuesday, that front's going to be coming through. But this is Halloween, 6 p.m. We're here. The rain's down south. That's why I think we're looking good at this point. The cooler, drier air, well, that comes in Wednesday. So the front will come through late Tuesday night into Wednesday, but Wednesday will only get to the upper 70s, basically near 80 for a high. And then I think really nice weather, a stretch of it for Thursday, Friday of next week. So that's just about a week away from now.